Are you rolling?
Yes.
This is 10-year video. Okay, are you ready to talk about ourselves, sir? 10 minutes? 20 minutes?
You're good.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And for 10 years on the internet, we have been the Sorry Girls.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I did it!
Crazy, ain't it?
It's so crazy.
So this month is very special in particular because this is our 10-year anniversary month. So we wanted to take the time to reflect on where we've come from, how us and our audience and our team has grown over the years, and show you some behind the scenes, some funny memes, because we definitely have changed a lot.
I think there's a lot of embarrassing memories too, potentially. Some memories I'm not ready mentally to relive, but let's go. It has been 10 whole years of DIYing,
Halloween costume making,
room decorating,
rift flipping,
IKEA hacking,
and of course, nervous laughing our way through videos. So yes, a lot has happened in 10 years.
but I think we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. So let's take it all the way back to October 2010. I was honestly really proud of this dorm room. Very proud.
Oh yeah, we look so different. The skinny eyebrows, man, that was it for me.
The headband, but like with one flower on one side. Also, like, our videos almost got way more awkwarder than this. Like, I feel like we had a little bit of confidence here.
Yeah.
And then we reached a time where we just got like quiet. It's the whispering for me in this one. Sorry, girls.
It's because we're like, oh, LOL, we're making YouTube videos, it's funny. And then it's like, after a little bit, it's like, wait, this is what we do.
So it all started when new baby friends, Kelsey and Becky, decided that we wanted the coolest Halloween costumes for our first big college party. This is like a month after we met.
And we had to be matching, of course, and like DIY because we wanted them to be custom.
Yeah.
So we took to the internet. This was before YouTube had like proper costume tutorials, and found ourselves on blog forums. Is this even Reddit? No, just like blogs in general to get info on how to do this, and came up totally short.
So instead we just kind of looked around our dorm room and there was highlighters.
Yeah.
And we were like, that would be cool.
I bet no one's gonna come to the party wearing that costume.
We're gonna be so unique. So being the enthusiastic, young, and creative film students that we are, we decided that we weren't just going to make a costume, we were actually going to film a tutorial so that any other college kid out there can also be a super cute highlighter.
So we went to YouTube and thought, let us start a channel to put this video on, and we were like, what name is it going to be? Which I feel like the name of a channel was so much more of like a deal back in the day. Now it can just be your name and it's whatever, but we needed a brand, and we thought, what are we gonna make after this first video? I don't know.
Yeah.
So we just need to name it something simple that will never change, even if our content does.
We are Canadian and we are girls.
And apparently we're very polite in Canada, so thus the Sorry Girls was born.
That just seems like it can stand the test of time.
Hi. Yo, what's up? I'm Kelsey. And this is Becky. And we're the Sorry Girls.
Okay, so the first YouTube video was up. It was a little bit of a success. Our real life friends loved it too. Literally, I don't think anyone actually knew my name for the first year of college. It was just pink and blue highlighter.
I didn't realize that until afterwards. Our friends were like, by the way, we had no idea what your names were. We just called you by your highlighter color.
I took it. It was kind of cool.
Yeah.
But our YouTube journey after that consisted of us burning some butter.
Banana bread.
And then all of a sudden, it was the next Halloween. So this year we wanted to do yet another DIY Halloween costume, and obviously it had to be the movie of the year, which was Black Swan.
A roll of black tulle,
So we make the video and it's a time before fast fashion. So if you did want to be Black Swan, you basically had to make it. And people really liked it. That one did really well. Maybe our first pop off.
So after that, we started doing YouTube videos more regularly, doing stuff that was not just Halloween costume stuff that our audience, oh my God, we were having an audience, was requesting.
We were doing apartment decor and everything, but also just, I loved making the Halloween costumes. That was such a core of what we did. But the sets that we would do, and we did like every single Disney princess.
Yeah, we went full on with these videos, probably some of the best production quality we've done. We just went hard with these. Went to construction sites, rented fog machines.
Yeah.
Honestly, some of my favorite videos I think we've ever made.
Yeah, I'm really proud of those.
The slow motion, the art direction, I was like really big into color correcting then. Like I'm like, this is gonna be a Hollywood film.
So for the next couple of years, we worked part-time jobs, we uploaded our YouTube videos, we worked our little butts off in film school and graduated in 2014.
And then after graduating with film degrees, we did like a year in kind of like the real film scene.
The real world?
The real world. We thought YouTube was taking off. It's a now or never opportunity. So let's quit our jobs and incorporate and do the thing.
I'm like, are you quitting your job or are you just changing careers?
Yeah, I mean, it's still film that we do, so.
Yeah, quitting sounds so dramatic. Wasn't that dramatic. We were just like, more opportunity here.
I'm still using my college degree, Mom. From there, things really started to take off.
First trip to LA.
Our first VidCon.
New manager, who dis?
We posted our pretty popular DIY neon sign video.
We completed our first full space makeover.
Our first office.
Followed by our first intern.
Our first challenge video. The 100 layers challenge, remember that?
I hated it. Made some YouTube friends.
We collabed with Mr. Kate. Very exciting time for us. We moved to a second office.
Daniela gets a promotion from intern to our first full-time employee. Justin is way better at editing than we are, so welcome to the team, Justin.
Oh baby, 1 million subscribers.
That was a big moment. We start our official dorm makeover series.
That one's still happening to this day. Oh, I got married. That was a moment on the channel.
The only wedding content we really ever did.
Which was then followed by dog content because I got Danny.
We took a trip to Tanzania with the one organization to see how women entrepreneurs there are changing the game.
We switched our logo. Branding hoops.
We won some awards, or at least an award.
Got nominated for some cool ones too. We launched a podcast.
A little bit about,
And she still can't say the name of the podcast.
a little about a lot. Team TSG changes and grows.
Your first house, which means the start of a whole new DIY reno series.
We DIY in Times Square on national television.
We move TSG headquarters once again for our third office.
Oops. Sorry, definitely not sorry. We're doing okay during a pandemic.
So much makeover content.
And a decade on YouTube. And then this is our camera. The unofficial literally forget about it. Hello,
Happy Halloween. Bye.
I absolutely love seeing what you guys DIY for your spaces. Like, it's just so creative. It makes me want to go out and buy a power saw.
It started a whole new thing for me, and now I'm making over a complete house.
I have taken a lot of inspiration in like the art and also with like lighting.
Why do you guys call yourselves the Sorry Girls? Like, what are you sorry for?
I've welded for about 6 years, and so I love seeing women get into DIY and tools.
A lot of plans because of you.
You're actually one of the first YouTube channels I ever subscribed to.
You have opened my creative eye and showed me that kind of anything is possible on a really, really cheap budget, and that you don't have to have $1 million to kind of have the space you love.
YB, I think, is now part of my vocabulary.
I'm more sustainable and more conscientious as a result of kind of watching your show.
The first watch was chocolate chip banana bread 9 years ago. Yeah, I can remember that.
Final touch time is like the best, so final touch time.
So having information on what the things you do in Canada seems very exotic for me, and I would like to go there and see the places that you have been showing us in the blog.
By you being yourselves, it's allowed me to think about being myself.
Enjoy your 10th anniversary. Good luck to you for another 10, 20, 30, 50 years.
Just want to say one thing that in my country we say son lo más. It means you are the best.
Thank you guys for all of the ideas, all of the DIY, and all of the inspiration.
I've done plenty of SorryGirls DIYs and I don't plan to stop.
I can't believe that it's been 10 years already. Going through this timeline makes it feel like it was literally yesterday. I don't know what like baby you and me back in that dorm room would say if we could see ourselves now.
They'd be like, oh my God, shut up.
What? That office is so big.
I'd be scared. I'd be super scared.
How are you doing that?
I always like grew up wanting to work for somebody else. I thought that's what I needed to like feel validated. To like have a boss be like, do this, and then I can do it and then feel really proud about it. But this is way better than any of that. And I wonder where older Kelsey and Becky are in 10 years from now. Another decade. We'll be almost 40.
Don't say it. I don't know where we're gonna be in 10 years, but I'm so excited to find out.
I just hope that we can continue to be like our best sustainable and open-minded and honest and put our best foot forward. And absolutely all of this, I think all of the success that we've had is really just thanks to you guys. As much as we, I think, maybe inspire you at home or teach you something new, we learn so much from you guys, and I think it's made us legitimately better humans. It's really cool to have this mutual growth between all of us.
It's been such like an honor to share this journey with you guys, and I think it's really cool that I get to inspire so many people to learn new things and try out new things, because literally when we started this, we didn't know anything. I thought I was going to school for film, and then turns out 10 years later I've learned like carpentry and electronics and like home decor, like so many different things and skills, and it's been cool to learn that online with an audience and kind of grow up that way.
This little YouTube channel has just changed our lives for literally ever, and that's such a weird thing to think of. But whether you guys have joined us in the last month or have been around for a decade, we really appreciate you. I know you hear YouTubers say this all the time, but we do have the best jobs, and we only have this job because people click on our videos at home. So just know that every time you watch a video or you subscribe or you like or you comment, it just means a lot to us, and it allows us to come to work every day and have the best job, to give people makeovers that deserve makeovers, to keep challenging ourselves and hopefully challenging you too to like try something new and get inspired. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye. If you like it, like it.
If you love it, sub it. When did we start that? We should put that in the timeline.
I don't know.
But started an end saying, stopped the ends.
Okay, bye.
But I guess just a big thank you to everyone who's watching this, and we love you. All right, thank you so much. Bye.